So, strategy, window cleaning strategy 2018 pricing. I'm pulling over real quick to make this video. I'll just get right to it. Raising all prices all the way across the board, 20%. 20%. Raising all prices. New customers, existing customers. Customer emails once their window's done, they call. I'm still coming up with the, the reasons why, the legitimate reasons why if they ask, but if it's a 200, it's going to be 240. Okay. If it's 100, it'll be 120. We got a customer just emailed me an hour ago, wants their outside windows clean again. We are doing it for like 99 bucks. There's not even a lot of windows. I said, okay, well, it's going to be 119. And if they don't want it, whatever. So that means reinvesting more money into a little bit more money into marketing and advertising, get the phone to ring more. But theoretically, Joe Polish's Piranha Marketing, check it out on audible.com. Theoretically, you can raise all your prices 20% and you'll only lose a couple customers. Theoretically, you'll be working less and making more money. I know where I want to be. We all want to be multi-fucking millionaires or whatever.
No, I don't. I don't want to be a multi-millionaire. I just want to be happy.
Okay, whatever the fuck. So, I've done this every single year since I started. I started with prices so fucking low. 5-6 years ago, it wasn't even enough money to even do anything. It was ridiculous, right? And I just kept raising them and 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 raising them. And I'm just going to keep raising them and raising them to the point where, you can't do this if you don't have enough jobs coming in. Like, the phone isn't ringing enough. And you're like,
no, I'm not doing it unless I do it for $345. I'm not driving anything unless it's a drop-top Cadillac or a Ferrari. Nope. Nope.
Well, motherfucker, you can be walking down the street. So, everybody's fucking bullshit advice only works depending on where you're at and what you know. Because there's people in different industries that wouldn't even fucking consider doing window cleaning. But in this weird culture we live in, people will pay you hundreds of dollars to clean their fucking windows. And if you don't have a college degree, well, fuck a college degree. What the fuck? I know so many people are in debt. I'm going to college to get my fucking master's degree. Motherfuckers broke working at a shithole job stocking boxes for 12 bucks or 11 bucks an hour. And now they're $100,000 in college debt. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm digressing. But anyways, so all prices getting raised 20% across the board. And it just blows my mind how you could, we work in the same, I'm saying the fuck word. We're working in the same fucking neighborhoods. Ooh, that fuck sounded like that was one of those fucks that you're like, because if it's the same fucking neighborhoods, right? But if it's that same fucking neighborhood, it's totally different type of fuck, right? We're working in the same fucking neighborhoods that we worked in 5 years ago, and I'm charging triple the money, and they're still fucking paying for it. It's just, I literally can't fucking, my poor poverty mindset growing up, a kid on welfare, it stuck with me. I'm going to be 35 in a few weeks. Trust me, I'm completely ashamed of myself. I should be a millionaire right now. Don't you feel the same way sometimes? Like,
I should be a millionaire right now. Why am I doing cleaning windows?
Because you know for a fact it's going to pay your fucking bills and you're afraid to try anything else. That's why. I can't even upload this fucking video. But anyways. I digress. I literally just, if you told me that people would pay to have their windows clean, mind-blowing to me. I never even stepped foot inside of a nice house. But apparently, people have money like that they're willing to pay hundreds of dollars to get their fucking windows clean. So, you just need to keep raising the fuck. I used to have people comment on my videos,
Keith is selfish and greedy. He wants to just get the most amount of money for the least amount of work.
Are you living in those big-ass houses that you're cleaning the windows in? No. Well, apparently you're not fucking selfish or fucking greedy, and you're not doing anything wrong.
Yeah, but they're fucking brain surgeons.
Okay, dude, I gotta go grocery shopping. Just keep raising the fucking prices until I don't know. Because if you don't make enough money, then you can't even run a legitimate business in the first fucking place. And you gotta separate yourself from everybody else by being like, we're the fucking best window cleaners in the fucking world. We're not like those other window cleaners. We're fucking better. So how do you do that? That's the golden question. By, I don't know, go get bonded or something. Be like, celebrity window cleaning. We only clean windows of $1 million mansions, and we charge a minimum of, that's a $500 minimum.
And we show up in drop-top Ferraris. And the squeegees are made out of solid platinum. And the rubber's made out of some weird-ass rubber that comes from outer space. And we clean the windows with our fucking lips. Raise your fucking prices.